Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know English or you have problems speaking English, then this video is for you. Because we bring simple English conversations for you on a daily basis. Today, we are going to talk about our daily routine in English. You will learn how to speak about your daily routine easily. So watch this video till the end and repeat with me. Inshallah, you will improve your English. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and share this video. Wake up early in the morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock. After waking up, I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face. After that, I say my prayers. Then I go for a short walk. I come back home and take a shower. After that, I eat my breakfast. My breakfast is usually simple. I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I drink tea. After breakfast, I start my work. Sometimes I study English. I practice speaking every day. I watch English videos. I listen to English conversations. This helps me improve my English. Then I do my daily tasks. I complete my work on time. If I feel tired, I take a short break. Then I start working again. In the afternoon, I have lunch. I eat simple food. After lunch, I take some rest. Sometimes I use my mobile phone. Sometimes I watch YouTube videos. In the evening, I go outside. I spend time with my friends. We talk and enjoy together. Sometimes I go for a walk again. At night, I have dinner with my family. We sit together and talk. After dinner, I use my phone. Sometimes I watch videos. Then I prepare for sleep. I go to bed at 10 or 11 p.m. This is my daily routine. I follow this routine every day. If you want to improve your English, practice daily like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.